top, it's a cold spot, and it'll rotate back into itself. It'll create its own vortex, moving back and forth and giving a little friction on the porous vessel. And we want
So we are currently staying at the Napa River Inn, downtown Napa. It's pretty nice. And yeah, good time so far. Beautiful weather this weekend, and we hope to have a good time. Here we go. We just finished our first wine tasting at James Cole Vineyards. Now we're on a windy road up to CV. But we'll see if it goes like last time. We'll just end up with another 2 cases of wine, just like we got from James Cole.
That shuttle is open.
So only 1 winery down, but 2 cases of wine. So we're off to a great start.
How awesome. On your camera. We're not going
Well, we went to CV, and they're appointment only. We don't have an appointment. So where are we going next? Do we know?
We're winging it right now. The next one we see that says open tastings.
All right, there it is. All right, we decided to go to Charles Krug. I don't know how to say any of these wineries, but I guess it is what it is. Here we are. Just went to Charles Krug. Now we're going to the Duckhorn, a recommendation by Bryce Nelson. Shout out. What's next?
Lunch.
Rutherford Grill?
Yep, and then the sparkling whatever wine.
Well, we missed our reservation by an hour and a half. So, worst case scenario is happy hour drinks on the patio. Cheers. Sorry I didn't show you guys our delicious lunch, but we're kind of in a rush, and now we are at Domaine Chandon. Ooh.
Ooh, sparkly.
Sparkly time. We're following our navigators over here. And there goes my mom just taking off. Don't get in her way. Well, that's the end of our Napa trip. Pretty solid weekend. The total of, 14 cases of wine at one winery. That's how you know the weekend was a success. So hopefully they can fill their cellar. We'll have more wine for our guests. So come on over and it'll be a good time. Woohoo!